y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a fall clean and decorate with me. So starting off on this fall clean and decorate with me, I'm going to start off with the outside because I wanted to kind of like get that done first, get it out the way, because this is the area where a lot of people is going to see, and I just wanted my yard to just have like that fall vibe, so whenever I sit outside I can enjoy the little bit of decor that I'm going to be putting out here. So I'm going to start off by sweeping and removing all of the decor that it had previously, which was actually some spring decor, spring colors, and I have not updated my porch since then, so it was like in my mind to like get this done, get my fall decor up. So yes, I'm going to start off by sweeping, and then I'm going to add these pillows to my chairs just to kind of like spruce it up a little bit, add a little color to it, and also just to like, you know, just have like a comfortable feel whenever we sit down. So I'm going to add these, and I got these from Walmart. They were like $5 a piece, so I paid $10 for that. I want to get me some new chairs, but I felt like, you know, adding these pillows kind of like give the chairs a new look. So that's like a little tip for y'all. If y'all want new lawn chairs but can't afford it, or you know, it's just not in your budget right now, buy like some pillows to put on there, and it's gonna kind of like, you know, spruce up the chairs a little bit, make it look a little bit of new again. So I'm going to add these fall outside pillows. I got these pillows from Walmart, and I want to say they were like $6 a piece, so it was very inexpensive. And then I also got this welcome sign from Dollar Tree, and it was $5. And then I had, next I'm going to add this vase that I'm going to be putting on the side, and the vase was just like a little vase that I got from Walmart, and some, I want to, what do they call these flowers? Oh, some mums. I couldn't think of the name of the flowers. Some mums. I'm going to add that, and then I'm going to add my wreath. I've been having this wreath for the past 3 to 4 years, and I love it. Like, you know, I feel like all the other wreaths look the same in the same color scheme, so I'm like, why buy another wreath whenever I have this one? So that is the front porch, you guys. Now we're going to start off in the living room, and I'm going to put away some stuff that was sitting out, which is the blankets and stuff like that, clear it up, and get started with decorating. To be switching out these pillows. I've had these pink pillows since the springtime, like I said before, so it was about time that I switched it up. I wanted to add like some fall pillows, fall colors, but I didn't want it to be too orangey in my house, and also I didn't feel like waiting on Amazon for it to come in. I was just ready to get the fall feel in my house, so I'm going to just add these little all-purpose, I call it all-purpose pillows because it goes with anything. So I'm going to add these pillows. Let's switch out that pink. Now I'm going to be removing everything off of my entertainment center, and I'm going to clean that off, and then I'm going to be decorating, and you will see me, you know, change a few things around, but yeah, I'm going to be decorating this entertainment center for fall. So this is the look that I kind of came up with, but I will change this out. Um, my daughter, she broke my vase. The vase that's on the right, she broke it after I filmed this video. So I'm very upset about that. I love that vase. It's so cute. So I'm going to switch that around and you're going to see at the end how it comes out. But I'm going to now decorate my coffee table. And I'm using this little tray that I've been using for years now. I kind of want to come up with something different or maybe buy like a new tray. I don't know. I'm just getting tired of the same tray. But for now, we're going to work with what we got. So I'm cleaning off my table and I'm getting ready to decorate this tray for fall. And pretty much, I want to say last year, I did the same thing on this table. But for the most part, the other stuff I kind of like switched around a little bit. But I am basically using fall decor that I've been using for the past 2 years. So yeah, it doesn't make sense to just keep buying all these decor pieces whenever you can use the same stuff and, you know, just switch it around, make it look new again. Now I'm adding this beautiful quilted throw blanket. My friend of mine, she made this blanket for me, handmade, and it's so thick, fluffy, and soft. It's so beautiful, you guys. I'm adding that throw blanket to add a little touch of orange to the living room, and I'm going to switch out these flowers, and I'm going to be adding some orange flowers to the vase. And as you can see, I am decorating now the coffee table. I try not to do too much with this coffee table because the kids sit here and eat. Well, we all sit here and eat. And I just don't want too much going on. So, yeah, I had to remove that. I'm going to wipe the tables down, get it all clean. And I'm going to be adding some candles and a pumpkin in the middle. And I think I did this before, like 2 years ago on this same coffee table. I love the look. But yeah, so that's what I did. And now I'm going to be making some pumpkin muffins. And these muffins were so good, y'all. I'm adding all the wet ingredients first. Mix that up. And then I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients afterwards. And I will be linking down below the recipe to these muffins. And they were so good, so moist. And yeah, so you guys should try it out. So I'm going to share with you guys today's scripture while I am making my muffins. And it comes from Psalms 34 verses 4 through 5. And it says, I sought the Lord and he answered me and delivered me from all my fears. Those who look to him are radiant and their faces shall never be ashamed. Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who takes refuge in him. Okay, so now that the muffins are baking, I'm going to go ahead and decorate my kitchen. And yeah, so I'm wiping off my countertops, my bar, and I'm going to be adding this pompous vase. And like I said earlier in the video, my daughter, she broke my other vase that's on the entertainment center on this video. So I ended up switching out the vase that I have now on the countertop and putting it back on the entertainment center. But I'm gonna show you guys at the end how everything look. And so this little corner here, I wanted to add something to it. It was kind of plain. I don't usually like to add too much stuff in my kitchen, but I decided to add that. And I'm going to remove these, and I'm going to be wiping it down, making sure it's all clean and stuff. And I'm going to be adding some pumpkins and some fall fillings inside of that jar. And yeah, put everything back and add a little fall vase to that little area. And like I said, I didn't want to do too much of fall decor, just a little bit to spruce up the place. And I'm going to be wiping down again, you know, the little area to making sure that it's clean before I decorate. And I'm going to just be adding just a simple pumpkin on my tray where I keep my hand soap. And last but not least, I'm going to be adding these towels, these hand towels, to my stove, and it adds a little bit of color, you know, to the kitchen. And I'm checking on my muffins, and they are just about done. And my kids, y'all, they tore these muffins up. I didn't really even get a chance to film how these muffins look when they came out because my kids ran through them. But yeah, so I'm adding this little fall sign to this area. I forgot about that. And oh, and I added this pumpkin to this area too. But I ended up moving this pumpkin like a few days ago because I just felt like it's just too much, you know. And here are the muffins. There are only 2 left, and they were so moist. And look at how soft they are, y'all. Look, so good. Y'all should try the recipe. That about sums up today's video, you guys. Thank you for tuning in to my fall clean and decorate with me. This is how I ended up doing the living room and stuff, changing it around. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Be blessed, be safe. I love you.